How to deactivate Instagram account and activate it again. Open Instagram app on your device. At the bottom right corner, click on the Profile menu. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then Account Center. Scroll down and click on the Personal Details. In this, look for the option Account Ownership and Control and click on it. Click on the Deactivation or Deletion, and then select your Instagram account. Make sure Deactivate Account is selected and click on Continue. Enter your Instagram account password. Now, in the pop-up menu, Instagram will ask you to choose the reason for the deactivation of your Instagram account. Choose your preferred reason, and then click on Continue. Now tap on the Deactivate Account. You can see a confirmation message that Account Deactivated. To reactivate on your Instagram account, simply log in with your credentials anytime. Your account will be automatically reactivated, and that's it.